Okay, I got the long block put together. Now I need to do a few more things to get the engine closer to being complete. I put the timing chain cover on, the water pump, also put on the oil pan and valve covers, but I did paint them first to kind of match. So instead of just, they were aluminum finned, both the valve covers and the oil pan. So basically painted between the fins blue to match the engine block. And then from there, cleaned up the air gap intake that's going on top. So I actually cleaned it and got it ready and mounted it to the engine as well. But I also did a primed the oil pump, make sure that I had oil flowing through every one of the push rods into the rocker arms. Everything was good, so I basically did that, and then bolting everything together and then capped off the top of the engine just with a hoist plate, a carburetor plate, and then just sealed up the engine and covered it up. So it's going to go in the car afterwards, after I kind of get more things done, and then I'll use the car itself just to test fire it. So I've got all that done. Next step, I'm going to be working on the carburetor.